Boop. Jake lands in an unknown park. Where am I now? Beebo, beebo, beebo. What's that I hear? Beebo, 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 beebo. Ugly dogs, run! What do you want? I'll give you anything. Beebo, 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 beebo. The ugly dogs emerge closer and closer, chanting their language. Beebo, 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 beebo. Then an ugly dog owner appeared. Go get him. We don't take kindly to people like him. Then a mysterious cat appeared, throwing a bone. Bim! Go play fetch, ugly dogs. Beebo, yummy! No, you dumb, ugly dogs! Kaboom! Thanks. Who are you? And where the heck am I? What's going on? A storm's coming. No!